Good morning and welcome to another Beau Meyer vodcast. We're out here at 161 Red Bluff Drive this morning. The excavator's got everything ready. We're going to do an ongoing series of videos showing you what our construction process consists of. We've got the Owsleys here. Nick is getting ready to set up some forms. You can see the leveled pad site, and we'll backfill on this. Just breathtaking views from this property. You've got the river below, mountain vistas in the background. And we're going to go ahead and walk down and show you some of the views you can see. Just a beautiful property and a home site. These stunning views I'll have of the river, kind of give you the leveled site. And we'll be ready to pour footers tomorrow. So this will conclude our initial vodcast, kind of showing you the actual site for our continued series of vodcasts. And stay tuned. Always remember to choose Beau Meyer Realty for your real estate and construction needs. 719-873-5257.